Is your productivity stopped because Windows Live Login Assistant can't find the Windowslivelogin DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before starting the detailed Windows Live Login fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Windows Live Login, the core Windows Live Login engine. It manages the unmanaged localized authentication routines for Windows Live services and facilitates the secure localized exchange of user identity manifests for cloud synchronization. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If Windows Live Login DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Windows Live Login file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Always prioritize system safety by avoiding manual swaps of Windows Live Login DLL. Downloading individual DLLs from third-party sites is a common way for hackers to inject spyware and ransomware directly into your operating system. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Windows Live Login. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Windows Live Login dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.